Welcome back to my channel, Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Dutt. In today's Excel tutorial, we are going to explore two powerful functions that can transform the way you handle two-dimensional data, TOCOL and TOROW. However, these functions are only available to Excel 365 subscribers. If you ever worked with a data set spread across rows and columns and wished you could instantly convert it into a single column or single row, these functions make it possible in just one step. We shall begin with a 4 by 4 data set that includes blank cells and even an error, and we will break down the complex syntax of both functions, how to ignore options, how ignore options work, and how you can choose between scanning row-wise and column-wise. Then we shall apply TOCOL and TOROW in different scenarios. The first is keeping all values, second, ignoring blanks, third, ignoring errors, fourth, ignoring both blanks and errors, and then the last one is that changing the direction in which the Excel reads the data. After that, we shall move into a practical example using the features of different Wagon R car models. We shall learn how TOCOL helps converting a large range into a clean list, and how to remove zeros and duplicates, and how to build a complete model-wise comparison table using unique VLOOKUP and IFERROR. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use TOCOL and TOROW to clean, organize, and analyze data far more efficiently. So let's get started.
TOCOL function in Excel. TOCOL function is used to convert your two-dimensional dataset into a single column. Here we have a 4 by 4 dataset. Please note in the dataset we have 2 blanks and 1 error. Now let us explore the syntax of TOCOL function. Syntax: TOCOL, array, ignore, scan by column. Array: the range or array you want to convert into a column. Ignore: optional controls what to exclude. 0. Keep all values default. 1. Ignore blanks. 2. Ignore errors. 3. Ignore blanks and errors. Scan by column: optional, false, default. Scans row by row, left to right, then down. True: scans column by column, top to bottom, then across. Now we shall apply the TOCOL function on the dataset. First, we shall use it without any option. Click cell I2. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. You will observe that the dataset, which is a 4 by 4 matrix, is converted into a single columnar data. The blanks are converted into 0. The error is retained. Now go to cell J2. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. Since we want to ignore blanks, we provide 1 as the option. You will observe that the dataset is converted into a single columnar data. The blanks are ignored in the conversion, but the errors are retained. Now go to cell K2. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. Since we want to ignore errors, we provide 2 as the option. You will observe that the dataset is converted into a single columnar data. The errors are ignored in the conversion, but blanks are retained. Now go to cell L2. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. Since we want to ignore both errors and blanks, we provide 3 as the option. You will observe that the dataset is converted into a single columnar data. Both blanks and errors are ignored in the conversion. Now go to cell M2. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. By default, Excel does conversion of the matrix from left to right. If we want it to happen from top to bottom, and then input the option true, you will observe that instead of left to right, it has copied from top to bottom. TOROW function in Excel. TOROW function is used to convert your two-dimensional dataset into a single row. We have here 4 by 4 dataset, which is highlighted in yellow. Please note that in dataset, there are 2 blank cells and 1 error cell. Now, let us explore the syntax of TOROW. Syntax: TOROW, array, ignore, scan by column. Array: the range or array you want to convert into a column. Ignore: optional controls what to exclude. 0. Keep all values default. 1. Ignore blanks. 2. Ignore errors. 3. Ignore blanks and errors. Scan by column, optional. False, default. Scans row by row, left to right, then down. True, scans column by column, top to bottom, then across. Go to cell I2. We want to copy the entire dataset as is into a single row. No option requires to be inputted. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. You will observe that the dataset is copied as is in one row. Go to I3. We now want to ignore the blanks while copying. Input the formula as shown on the screen. Add option 1. You will observe that the dataset is copied into a row, ignoring all the blanks. However, the error cell is copied. Go to cell I4. We shall copy the range, ignoring the errors. Input the formula on the screen with option 2. You shall observe that range is copied with blanks, but without the error cell. Go to cell I5. We shall copy the range, excluding the blank cells and the error cell. Input the formula as shown on the screen with option 3. You shall observe that range is copied excluding the blank and the error cells. Go to cell I5. By default, the range is copied left to right, then down. However, if anyone wants the range to be copied top to bottom and then right, he will have to write true at the end of the formula. Input the formula as shown on the screen, and at the end of the formula write true. In row 2, the range is copied from left to right. In row 6, the range is copied from top to bottom and then right. Example of use of TOCOL. We have a spreadsheet where the features of each of the Wagon R car model is listed. There are 5 models of Wagon R. We want a different way of comparing the features of various models of Wagon R. We want to list all the features of Wagon R at one place and see which is available in which model. Select cell B22. We shall use TOCOL function to convert range C4, G19 in a single column starting at B22. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. The range is converted into columnar data. However, there are 2 problems with the data. First, it will contain duplicates, and second, the blanks in the range data will appear as 0 in the columnar data. To remove the zeros, we shall modify the formula by adding 1 as option in the formula. You will observe all the zeros are removed from the column. Now we shall have to remove the duplicates. This we shall do by wrapping the formula within unique function. All the duplicates are now removed. Select cell C22. We will use VLOOKUP function to populate the features under the respective models. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. Copy the formula to other columns. You will observe as there is no corresponding data in other columns, errors are appearing. To remove the errors, we shall wrap the formula with IFERROR function, which will replace the errors with blanks. Copy the first row of the new table and copy to the other rows in the new table. Now we have a model-by-model comparative analysis where all the features of the Wagon R cars are listed on the left. On the right, the features which are relevant to a particular model appear under the respective model. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification as soon as a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.